I've been in the Philippines now for 8 years, and I've been selling my burritos, quesadillas, and Mexican food for the last 5 years. Everything I make is homemade. I buy only the ingredients from the market and other places, and I make everything myself. I make the hot sauce, I make this Mexican sauce, I even make the seasoning that goes into it, and the recipe for the dough, the tortilla, is mine. I've been here a while, and I actually like the Philippines. I love being here because I got peace. But I see myself in a few years, having more locations of what I have now and being here the rest of my life because I like the place. I'm Paul Neal, Cabaranga Kung Foreigner from Pasig City.
Everybody, say good morning, Sir Paul.
Para, alam mo yung pag good morning nyo, parang hihingi agad kayo ng makakain. Nararamdaman ko agad yun.
Good morning translates to, we're hungry, Sir Paul.
Oh, we're hungry, Sir Paul.
We have food.
And it smells good. The food.
Smells good.
Yeah.
Sir Paul, would you like to greet them a very good morning first? The viewers.
The audience.
Yeah.
Would you like to greet them? Good morning.
Everybody have a great good morning and a nice day today.
Yeah.
Nice day.
Okay, Sir Paul, where are you originally from?
Texas.
Texas. Okay,
Yeah.
where in Texas are you from?
Northeast Texas.
Northeast.
Around Texarkana,
Okay.
Dallas, not Dallas, Northeast Texas, Texarkana, Longview, Tyler area.
Longview and Tyler in that
Yeah.
area. Okay, how many years have you been in the Philippines, sir?
8 years.
8 years.
Yeah,
8
been here
years.
for a
Wow,
And he
tagal
cooks
na.
well. He cooks really good
And-
Tex-Mex food.
Yeah.
And do you understand Tagalog already? If I speak Tagalog, will you understand me?
Very conte.
Wow! Very conte. God! Very conte. I love
Very
that.
spicy.
Yes, yeah, of course. Bakit niyo ho piniling magstay sa Philippines? Why did you choose the Philippines?
Well, I come to be with someone, and I met somebody online. I come to be with them, and we was together for a while, and things didn't work out. So
May ganun naman talaga sa pag-ibig. Ganun talaga.
Yeah.
And then,
I stayed because I love the place here. I love the atmosphere. I like how I like the peace you have here. You have more freedom. You have less stress. So I like all that.
guys, did you hear that? Did you hear that? Oh, he loves the
You also,
Philippines.
do you also love our Filipino food? Do you love our food?
Yes, but I don't eat fat.
Okay.
So
Because
everything's got fat in it almost. But I do cook Filipino food.
Yeah,
myself,
but you watch what you eat.
But I cook it without I cut the fat off.
Not too much
but I
fat.
still eat the same food.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So what have you tried? What Filipino food have you tried?
See here, many.
Sinigang? Have you tried
I
sinigang?
can
Sour.
make sinigang, sisig,
Yeah.
menudo.
Sisig,
Menudo.
menudo.
Ganda. Lahat na. Wala na. Lahat na pala. Menudo.
Yeah. You are going to show us how to cook Tex-Mex food. When you say Texan
Well,
and
this
Mexican
is
food.
actually a combination.
Yes.
This here is the Mexican pizza. The Mexican
This is
pizza
Tex-Mex.
is actually a Tex-Mex.
Okay.
The quesadilla and the burrito, they're authentic Mexican food. Old Mexico.
Yes, kasi nga
So,
no,
yeah.
mga kabarangay, ang Texas ay naka-boundary, naka-border sa Mexico. Kaya marami tayong mga Kaya ito, pag Tex-Mex, pinaghalong Texan at Mexican food. Ito naman, purely Mexican daw ang burrito at taco.
Para
Okay,
para yung Pasig, katabi nyo Marikina.
Oo.
Di ba? Pasig. Pana
So,
food.
Pasmar.
Yeah, Pasmar.
Pasmar
diba?
food.
Diba?
Pasmar
so,
food.
parang ganon, may border. Okay? Pero ito, kailangan nyo matutunan to. Baka, malay nyo, maging competition pa ni Sir.
At baka pwedeng maging negosyo. Business.
Yeah,
Business
business.
idea for the moms, no?
Yes.
Right? Yeah. Okay, so what do you call this dish, sir?
That's a Mexican pizza.
Mexican pizza! Okay, so how do we do this, sir?
Let's let's roll
Okay.
a tortilla. and
Coolness.
cook it
Okay,
for you so
let's
you
bring
can
the
see how
camera
it
there
works.
for you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so let's fire this up first.
I will
yet,
help
wait.
you.
This is a
I
nice-
will help you,
this
sir.
is a
No,
nice-
not yet.
Okay.
Not yet.
Okay.
Soon, but not yet. It
Okay.
heats up too fast.
We'll talk
Ah,
about
okay,
this
okay,
later.
okay.
So,
Oh.
and put some of these on.
Okay, gloves first,
They don't
of course.
Fit very
Cleanliness
good. See, this
first.
is why I don't like gloves.
Yeah, it's too... Okay.
They
Will
don't
it fit
really,
you?
barely. Wait,
Would you need another one?
no.
Okay.
I got to do something.
Okay. So sa mga mga kaka-tune in pa lang natin pa dito sa programa, itong ating kabarangay na si Sir Paul ay taga Texas originally at
Yes!
siya ay narito na sa Pilipinas. 8 taon na siya rito sa Pilipinas at mahilig siyang magluto at magturo na magluto ng American food, Texan food,
Yes.
Tex-Mex food,
Yes.
Mexican food. Kasi nga naman, ito ay lagi nilang niluluto sa Texas.
At ang ituturo niya sa atin ngayon ay
Ay.
kung paano gawin yung tortilla. Ito.
Tortilla.
Pero sa atin, tortilla.
Oo.
Yan, yung mga ganito.
Double L, medyo tamad. Tortilla.
Oo. Ayan, so, ang gagawin niya ngayon ay...
So you have your cheese and your
Yes.
flour.
Yeah,
okay.
this is the flour.
Okay.
I use a rolling pin, and
Okay.
then right here I have a dough.
Meron na siyang dough na
may dough
nagawa
siya
na
dan.
niya.
Ayan yung dough niya.
So this is just, ito po, this one is just flour and water?
No, it's flour. It's a recipe,
Okay,
but it
so
has
there's
flour and water in it.
water, and then
Oil,
oil.
and a few other things that I don't tell.
Okay. So so like him, may kanya-kanya rin tayo mga recipe.
Yeah, everybody
di ba?
knows
Merong-
flour
we have
or
our
water,
own.
but there's some things I add
Yes,
to it
yes,
that makes it
yes.
my
Understandable.
recipe. Yeah.
So we have our own. May kanya-kanya din sila, di ba, mga nilalagay, kanya-kanya recipe.
Okay.
Pero basically, mga kabarangay, sinasabi niya, basic na paggawa ng dough, hindi ba? Tubig, flour, may counting, sa asin yan, syempre, para pang-balanse ng lasa.
Okay.
And then,
I'm gonna roll this out.
mamasahin at i-roll nyo. Parang pizza.
This is gonna be a medium.
Yun. So, itong size ng kanyang dough, mga nanay, ay hindi malalaking pizza, no? Small or to medium nga raw eh.
This will be a medium.
Yeah, medium.
Yeah.
This is good for how many people? Probably a person or 1 or 2?
Maybe one or two. Yeah.
Okay.
Depends on how hungry you are.
Yes, that's true. So, this is a recipe that you learned, obviously, in Texas. But is this a family recipe?
No, not actually. In Texas, I was when I grew up, I was around a bunch of Mexican families and friends
Okay,
of mine.
nice.
So when
You
you
had
go to a
Mexican
Mexican family's house and with their
They
kids,
cook, yeah.
when they eat,
Yeah.
everybody makes food.
Wow, there must be really
You know,
good
even
food.
the company, they make food. Yeah.
They must know how to party, right? Like they have
Yeah.
guacamole.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So itong ginagawa nila mga nanay ay yung kanyang ano pa lang, ano to, love, ito yung dough.
kanyang yung tortilla pa lang.
Na
Ayan.
ito interesting to kasi actually kawali lang kailangan natin pero
Oo.
maganda pag-usapan natin mamaya pag napunta tayo doon, love, yung
Tsaka
kanyang
parang
lutuan.
wala akong nakikitang nilalagay
His
na
pan.
mantika eh.
Yeah.
Sige,
May apoy na ba yan? Pa-check nyo. Pa-check nyo.
Nakakasunod pa tayo mga nanay? Ang dali lang ha, nakikita nyo. Gawa na lang kayo na sarili nyong recipe ng dough. Napakasimple lang naman. Ang dami na pwede ngayon i-research. Makikita nyo
Lapit
na
kayo,
naman.
ba't parang takot kayo kay Sir Paul?
Oo.
Ayan, lapit.
Gusto na. Hindi
Yan.
ka, pasing yan.
Medium
Pang
sized yung
pagkain
kanyang
lang
tortilla.
yan.
And then,
Pang food lang yan.
manipis
hindi ba? Kumusta? Anong
Okay.
yung roti!
Roti. Or naan. Mga naan
Ganyan
bread.
din ang roti.
So you're ready, Sir Paul?
Yep.
Okay,
wow!
cool. Nice.
Talaga, may
And
pagkanon
then,
kuya.
You
Ayun
plop it on
na.
that. What do you call this kind of cookware?
Well, it's just a flatware.
A flatware.
It's the same thing they use Korean barbecue.
Yes,
It's just
yes.
something thin.
Yeah.
I have a thicker one, but it takes longer to heat, so I use
Okay.
this one a lot of times.
Where do you buy this? Can you buy this anywhere? Or can you buy it online?
Online.
I would think, yeah.
Yeah.
O pwede na online, mga nanay. Flatware lang,
Alam niyo yung mga pang samgyups?
Oo,
Pwede yan,
yan
ganyan
It's
din
like a
yun
barbecue pan
So there's
online.
no
Yeah.
there's no oil,
Oil.
nothing. Just
No
heat
need.
and
You let it
bread.
cook like
No
that.
Wow.
Pero kasi meron ng oil nga naman daw. Naalala mo
Everything I
sinabi niya.
have has very little oil in it.
Yeah,
May
because you
oil
want it
daw
to be
yung dough
healthy.
niya eh.
Very much, yeah.
May oil
Yeah.
daw.
Even the meat I use is very lean.
Okay.
It's
And
like
how
95%
many
lean.
minutes to cook this tortilla?
Not
But
much.
that's it.
Let's cook already.
Yeah. Manipis naman eh.
like,
It's
wow.
not how
Maluluto
many, but
agad.
Yeah.
how many seconds.
So easy.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Wow, galing.
So-
Guys, nakita niyo yon? Ang dali lang. Ang dali lang ng ginawa niyo. O, tingnan niyo.
Tapos pansinin nyo, di ba tayo mahilig tayo sa kanin? Ito na yung carbohydrates nila. Yan ang
Oo.
carbohydrate nila, oh, di ba? May harina nga naman, carbohydrate yun.
See, that's kinda-
Okay. So,
All right.
cook
What
already.
next?
Next.
what
A
next?
burrito. How's that?
Okay.
So we're gonna.
Oh.
So, anong ingredients
Well, I'm
natin
gonna make
dyan?
a burrito and a quesadilla. I'll make a quesadilla out of this one, burrito and a Mexican pizza. So
Okay.
Do the
So,
burrito.
meron daw kasi quesadilla, yung quesadilla niya, pero ito, unahin niya daw yung sa burrito niya.
this here is a
Oh, yeah.
Mexican pizza.
So, it's ground pork or
Okay,
beef?
burrito has ground beef,
Ground beef.
Ground beef.
shredded
Ang
cabbage.
ginagamit niya raw para healthy ay yung lean meat.
Lean
so,
meat
laman
daw.
lang, walang
Ground
taba.
beef, healthier.
Oo.
Shredded cabbage
Onion.
daw. Tomatoes,
Corn.
white onion, corn. White
that's it.
onion.
Parang ang sarap
That's all I
na
put in
niyan.
here.
And then, your sauce
sauce.
is your own recipe as well?
Yes, including this is my recipe, the hot sauce my recipe. I make this. I put the different herbs and spices together to make the seasoning that goes in here.
Nice.
So
Okay.
yeah, everything is
What's
100%.
the one ingredient aside from is that ketchup and
No,
other?
it's
Oh, no.
it's tomato base, but it
Okay.
has seasoning in it to make it a sauce. It's a Mexican
Whoa.
sauce.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, hanapin na lang natin online. Marami tayong makikitang ganyan. Meron mga barbecue, meron yan.
Ayun,
Mexican sauce
ay, ang
na
daming
sabi niya.
kesong nilalagay.
Nice. Okay.
That's cheese overload.
We
Whoa,
like-
amazing.
We like it
normal.
like that.
Yeah.
We love it that way.
Big servings. Very American.
Oh, and how much is that when you sell it?
This one here is 145.
Oh,
That's,
good,
that's
good.
ano. Oh,
And then you
hinihitin ulit. Sorry.
And then you heat that
Ay,
again.
hinihitin niya ulit. Oh. Alam nyo kaya hindi niya pinapaapoy agad kasi minimaintain niya rin yung tamang heat ng pan.
Oo.
Okay? So nakikita nyo pag niluluto niya yung tortilla, saka lang niya yung pinapaapoyan. Kasi kung hindi, baka nga naman masunog yung tortilla. Pangit na yung lasa nun.
Yes.
We're gonna make
What's
a
next?
quesadilla. We're gonna make a
Quesadilla.
Quesadilla! Ito yun,
So,
ito yun.
You think we had a lot
Quesadilla.
of
So,
cheese?
inuna yung
Gamit
cheese.
yung same na ito, same na
Yeah.
dough, same
You
na
think we
bread.
had cheese overload a while ago? Watch.
Yeah.
More,
Yeah.
more cheese.
More
Whoa,
cheese.
lots of cheese.
Cheese overload is good.
Oh.
We can never
More
want,
and more.
You can never have too much cheese.
Ay, grabe yung cheese
Nice. Kasi nga naman, buong
That's it.
yung feeling niyan eh, may buong laman ng
Then we put a little
quesadilla.
bit of
Friend.
beef in
And
it.
then yung
Friend,
ground beef.
nasusunog na, friend.
That's good, that's still good.
Yeah.
We like a bit of char in char.
It's better
We like
that
a bit
way.
of char.
Yeah, it's a lot better that way.
Yeah. Para may crunch din yung
And smoke,
inyong ano.
smoky flavor.
Yeah.
Smoking good, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
and it's done? Pwede makainin ulit ng
Mhm.
The sauce, the Mexican
And this
sauce.
has a special thing here.
What's that?
Creamer.
Milk?
Creamer.
Cream!
Cream.
Hoy, ang yummy! Napaka-creamy!
Ikaw ba may tanong ka si Mami? May tanong ba siya, Love? Si Mami
May tanong ka doon sa pinaglalagay.
Ask.
Opo.
What's your question?
Actually, interesado ako dun sa whole setup niya. Gusto kong malaman kung magkanong pwede kong maging puhunan para magkaroon ako.
That's a very nice question, Sir
Mo.
Paul. She's asking is,
She wants to put up her own
She's-
business.
she wants
how
to know
much
the investment.
how much money should she
The
put
investment.
in as an investment? How much like for her capital?
yeah,
To do this?
She wants to do a business like this, yeah.
yeah, like
Well,
that.
it depends on how much you want to work.
Okay.
You can. When I first started the business, I used 1,500 pesos to buy the food.
1,500
How
pesos.
much?
Meron na.
1,500?
to,
Only?
to start the food, but I already bought the containers and everything like that. So just the food. So all in all, you can start with 2,000, 3,000.
2,000, 3,000 pesos.
Everything na raw, kasali.
Tapos
Start the
ibenta niyo
business.
isang ganyan, 145.
Oo.
Hindi ko siya, ayun lang ang lugar ko. May space ako para dyan.
Yeah.
Yun! Nagka-idea na. May kukumpetensya na si Kuya Sir Paul. Ayan, galing. And that's how much?
145.
145
These are all
also.
mediums.
Medium
The mediums
size.
are all 145. I have a small for 65.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
sorry,
Some sizes.
85.
Oh,
85, yeah.
pesos.
Small's 85, small quesadilla. burrito, and then I have a taco for 85.
Okay.
And then I have a large burrito and quesadilla that's 12 inches. It's as big as this
Double
whole
the
thing.
size. Double the size.
It's big as the pan.
Wow. So you
And,
can
how
order.
much?
275.
So you can order that size. You can
The
order.
burrito is like this big around.
Malaki.
And it's that long.
So anyone can just go to your place, order,
Sure.
or they can have it delivered, or have it for pickup,
Right,
ready
right.
for pickup. That's nice. Okay, cool.
The woman beside me, she has a question.
What's your question, ma'am?
What's your question?
Question is, are you single?
Hoy! Hoy! Tumigil kayo! Tumigil kayo.
Well, yes, no.
Yes, no! Yes, no. Yes, no. Are you planning to stay here in the Philippines for good?
Yes, this is my permanent home.
Wow!
I'll go
Ano
back.
talaga Pilipinas?
Oh, your question.
Your
My
question.
question is, how much did you earn about all in all?
How
much did you earn?
How much
Well,
do you earn? How much
How
can
much
you
do
earn
you
from
earn?
it?
I don't talk about how much I earn,
Oh,
but I'll
yes.
tell you this: we sell anywhere from 50 to 100 pieces a day.
Wow! Not bad.
So I can tell you that
Yeah.
much. Yeah,
Have you been to other places aside from Metro Manila? Have you been to the provinces of
I have been to
Philippines?
Naga City selling before. Naga City, Bicol,
In
Bicol.
Bicol.
I did very well there too.
And do you intend to go to the provinces and the...
That's the only place I've been. Other than that, I started in Tondo, Manila,
Yes.
and it went viral online.
Yes.
And I had so much business, I had to hire 12 people, and I opened a resto there.
Yes.
For,
Ayan.
for unforeseen reasons, the resto didn't work right. So, but it was not my fault.
At least you have your own business now.
Oh yeah.
that's
I
a
have
good
all the
thing.
recipes, all the dough, everything's mine, and I never write it down. It's all in here.
Yeah.
Hello po mga Kanet 25! Si Kuya Tony Pet po ito mula sa Love, Tony Pet and Everything. For more Love, Tony Pet and Everything updates, just click on our subscribe button and follow us on our Net25 social media pages at Net25 TV and at Net25 Entertainment Facebook. Magkita-kita po tayo!